Hello everyone, welcome back to IT Samurai Teacher. My name is Abdul. Today we are diving into the world of pocket-sized filmmaking with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo. If you're looking for all-in-one tool to capture your adventures, this might be in. Before we unbox, let's take a closer look at the box. You can see the front, nice cool design. I like the cover. Backside nothing, and we have some serial numbers and stuff. It says made for iPhone, and the back you get a bunch of details in here. So DJI is promising some serious upgrades with this new model. Here's what we can accept. Okay, so the first one is one CMOS sensor and 4K 120 fps. So the stunning cinema quality video with the vibrant details and smooth slow motion. 2-inch rotable touchscreen with orientation controls. Easily frame your shots from any angle and switch between horizontal and vertical shooting. The next one, 3-axis gimbal mechanical stabilization, eliminates shaky footage for buttery smooth, professional looking videos. ActiveTrack 6.0 intelligent subject tracking that's smarter than ever. Full pixel fast focusing, lightning fast autofocus to keep your subject sharp. And you can see the D-Log aim and 10-bit color capture more dynamic range and color information for greater flexibility in post-production. Studio recording, built-in microphone for immersive audio, pocket size, incredible, portable and convenient. So we will go in the box. You can see in the box inside. When we unbox, we'll take one by one, and I'm going to show you what those parts are. So let's jump in now. Okay, let's unbox this box. So you can see here's the box. DJI always done the great job with the packaging, and this looks no different. I'm going to open this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the highways, and on we'll go.
protective cover. Okay, so this is the protective cover, and you can see Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover is suitable for daily storage. Place Osmo Pocket 3 in the protective cover with the touchscreen face down and the gimbal against the top of the protective cover as shown in the diagram. Okay, so it's the protective cover, so we can so protective cover come separate box, and here you go. Let me take this one out, put this away, all the stuff. Let me go and see what this is. Some kind of DJI stuff. Okay, let me put this back so we have a clear picture. Now let's go slowly open this. Okay, let me open this. Ooh. Now is the Osmo Pocket 3. Most important thing is Osmo Pocket 3. So you can see when you touch, I feel looks good. I mean, when I see my own eyes, when I touch this, I feel great. I mean, very build quality, very build quality. See the camera, and very smooth design, as we see. Good looking. See, I'm going to put this away. I'm going to take the DJI Mic 2 transmitter. Very built quality is very good. So we have a power button here, another button in here. So we have the clip, so you can clip to your shirt, t-shirt, anywhere you want. You have USB-C port in here. There's another button here. I think this record or something. There's another pin here. So it's very good looking, and it's very good. The quality is very good. When I touch it, I can feel it. Let me open this and see what this is. Okay, so this is, I believe, the battery handler. Do you have a name somewhere in here? Nope. So I believe this is the battery handler. This will extend your our shooting time significantly.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We have the Osmo Pocket 3 here, and the protective cover. Okay, this is the protective cover. The protective cover, DJI Mic 2 transmitter. So this is the DJI Mic 2 transmitter. Handle with thread. Handle with thread. What the hell is handle with thread is? I'm not sure what is handle with thread is. If you guys know, just comment down below. Battery handle. Where's the battery? Oh, okay, the battery handle is this one. Mini tripod. You have say USB-C cable, carry bag, DJI Mic 2 magnet. I don't know why they separate, but this all we have in the box and everything. So everything looks good. The main important thing is this one, the main one piece. So I'm going to do some configuration, this one, update the firmware and stuff, and I'm going to take some pictures, everything. So this my channel is all about devices, because this device I need to use for my recordings, so that's why I purchased this. I was thinking to show you how to unbox thing. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next videos. Thank you.